Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus at home for weight loss. This simple recipe focuses on maximizing flavor while minimizing calories, making it a perfect addition to your healthy eating plan. By controlling the ingredients, you can create a delicious and satisfying dip that supports your weight management goals. We'll use fresh, wholesome components to ensure a nutritious and low-calorie result, helping you feel full and energized throughout your day. To begin, you will need one standard 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly rinsed and drained. Next, gather 2 fresh garlic cloves peeled and the juice of 1 whole lemon. For a touch of creaminess without excess fat, we'll use just 1 to 2 tablespoons of tahini. Finally, have some cold water on hand to adjust the consistency. These simple ingredients form the foundation of your healthy, homemade hummus. Combine your rinsed chickpeas, fresh lemon juice, peeled garlic cloves, and the small amount of tahini in a food processor. Begin blending and gradually add cold water, about 1/4 cup at a time, until you achieve a smooth, creamy texture. Season with a pinch of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin for enhanced flavor. Remember, water is your friend here, not extra oil to keep the calorie count low. Your delicious, weight loss-friendly hummus is now ready to enjoy. Serve it with an array of crisp, fresh vegetables like cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, or carrot sticks for a satisfying crunch. It also makes an excellent spread for whole grain crackers or a light sandwich. This homemade version offers significantly fewer calories and less fat than many store-bought options, making it a smart choice for your healthy lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.